wish to see you as Meryl Streep? Please! Come on, bro. Yo, what's up? Xavier here, and welcome to the channel. Today we're gonna be watching Miss Marvel. It's episode 2. And so, little recap of what happened in episode 1. So Kamala, she gets like this package from her grandmother. It contains a bangle, and we get introduced to her mother, father, brother, friend, and then best friend Bruno. We also get introduced to an ex-friend, Zoe, who is now popular and everything, and so she's left them all behind. Right, and then so there's this Miss Marvel competition at Avengers. There's some hijinks ensue, and then eventually get there, and that Kamala puts on the bangle and she discovers she has powers. And we also see that the people forward that they trying to control the superpowers, they show up in people from Spider-Man, the last Spider-Man movie. They show up in this, so at the end, and Kamala saves Zoe in her Miss Marvel, in her Captain Marvel costume. And so all that ensues, and this episode description says Kamala and Bruno explore the source of her newfound powers just in time for a perilous adventure. Alright. So let's see what that entails. Oh, warning. I did watch like the first 5 minutes of this, but then something went wrong with the how I was recording it, so just bear that in mind. The first 5 minutes I already seen, so yeah, let's get into it.
So, thank you. You know what I love about AirPods? That you don't actually have to stand as close to each other. Love you guys. Rooting for you. Favorite couple. I am so sorry.
No worries. What makes you think you have Ant-Man powers?
Because we're both charming and we look a lot younger than we are.
Okay.
I mean, everybody said that I shouldn't be live streaming it, but I really just...
Right, so here I originally thought that this was a dream sequence, but it was not. It was real. Okay, cause she was like so confident and bouncing in with the song and everything playing. I thought it was a dream sequence, but no, it was reality for her. Oh, and the new guy, isn't he the guy from Do Revenge?
Peter, after lunch, where are we hopping? He's always famous.
Oh yeah. And this is the friend that I was talking about. Yeah, that I didn't get the name of. Yeah, I didn't get her name.
And I was thrown to the ground.
I have to check the Do Revenge guy later to see.
What? Thank you. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah, someone finally said it. That Zoe, dude, she just talks and talks.
Okay, calm down.
Yo, chill, bro, chill.
Which is why I'm gonna have a party on Friday. You know, to celebrate the fragility of life.
As one does, yeah. As one does.
Yeah, no, that sounds really fun, actually.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Cool. I'll DM you the details.
Yeah.
We should go to that party.
What?
Bruno's out of the loop.
So I guess super strength is not a part of the equation.
Yeah, well, maybe I should have tried harder in gym.
You probably should have, yeah.
I saved you.
Only because you almost killed me first.
That is true. Good point.
So it looks like your power isn't coming from the bangle. It's coming from within you. Like the bangle unlocked the superhuman part of you.
Right, that was interesting news to me because the bangle is just like a key. It's not the source of the powers, basically.
Light comes out of you and it hardens.
Let's call it hard light.
Groundbreaking.
Yeah, ingenious name. Oh yeah, this is where I had stopped around this part right here. But like, it was cool. It's cool that we see this. We see this like, what's it called again? Montage of them bonding and learning the powers and stuff. Very cool. Come on. Look at the height she was dropping from. Come on. Oh yeah, I saw that scene on Car the Crew, and yeah, they pointed out some stuff, but you know, it's whatever, some stuff about the CGI, but yeah, it was very cool. I liked it.
Always the same two that are late.
Oh yeah, very judgmental. Of course. The water does not look clean.
Hashtag Mosley, hashtag Dean.
Hey, come on! No Snapchatting in the masjid.
It's instant.
Wait, come on. You can't be doing that right there. Chill.
I mean, they gotta fix our section of this place. The men's section is pristine. We got mold under the carpets, and the walls are literally crumbling.
Thank you, Sister Kamala, for reminding us that it is important to share your voice, though perhaps except during my lecture. And another reminder, nominations are still open for the month's board election.
My God, Max, you should totally run. Are you crazy? Do I look like a 9-year-old fan to you?
Yo, that's disrespectful. Call her a 90-year-old man.
The change is here and the change is her, everyone.
Yeah, you know what? Yeah, maybe we'll run. Yeah. You're gonna be my campaign manager.
What?
Hey, you gave her the idea? You manage her campaign. Sounds fair to me.
If you're gonna ask something about Avenger Con,
Oh, she looks kind of like Leia Ramini.
Bruno and Nakia will both be there. And I'll be home by 9.
Nakia. Okay, that's her name. Got it.
Is there alcohol in that?
Nah, it's just orange juice.
Dude, why would you do that?
Plus some vodka.
Alright, I'm over it. Want to swing over?
No, we can't. Everyone's here, including us.
Am I drunk?
No, you're not drunk. Oh, it's this guy.
What does that mean?
Damn!
God is wilderness.
That's what they're using for this guy. Okay, alright.
Cops! Everyone's together!
My parents are gonna kill me!
That was blocked. I can't do time. Hey, guys, so everyone just call me.
Yeah, go, quickly.
You can take her for a ride sometime if you want.
Really?
Yeah. She can't, she failed.
Dude.
Ow!
Yeah,
What she did? You backed up into the car, remember?
stop ratting her out like that, man.
Do you like watch, I don't know, Bollywood movies and stuff?
Obviously. The greats like Dagger, other stuff like that.
I have no reference for what Bazaar is.
I like Bahadir.
You do?
Yeah.
Oh, good. Cool. I didn't realise you'd seen it.
Bruno cock blocking.
It's great meeting you guys. Miguel, Paul, Nakia, Brian.
He messed up his name.
Brian. He doesn't understand. Brian's mad. Why is Brian mad?
He knows my name's not Brian.
Oh, yo, but very smooth, Kamran. Kamran is smooth like butter. Are we gonna have like a musical number sequence here? She's gonna be discovered by somebody. That's gonna be the gag.
how is Zoe's house?
It's magical.
Oh yeah, I'd be definitely worried if I was her parents seeing her doing that. Definitely.
Spent 6 weeks on ancient Rome and ancient Greece, but 6 minutes on ancient Persia and Byzantium. History written by the oppressors. That's all I'm gonna say.
Nakia is right. She was spitting gems.
You've been acting kind of weird these past couple of days. Now you can tell me anything, right?
You probably need to tell her. I mean, like, she's one of your friends. She's gonna find out eventually. Might as well come from you.
Easy? It's definitely not easy.
Of course it isn't. It is not.
I've either been too white for some people or too ethnic for others. And it's been this very uncomfortable, sucky in between.
But is she mixed?
When I first put this on, I was hoping to shut some people up. But I kind of realized I don't really need to prove anything to anybody. Like, when I put this on, I feel like me. Like, I have a purpose.
Yeah, I take it. I take it.
You sitting down?
Yeah, he is sitting down.
Everything is free. It's all paid for. Meals, everything. It's amazing.
Oh, that's super awesome. I love that for you.
Yes.
Exactly, you say yes.
You want to answer phones of a demanding but impossibly chic magazine editor. Yes. Yeah.
Devil Wears Prada.
This moment. That is happening to you right now. You're the lead character. I'm Meryl Streep. And you
Oh, please, no, you are not Meryl Streep. You wish.
California.
He wishes he was Meryl Streep. Please. Come on, bro.
Are you sure?
Yeah. De-stress after school. Best thing you can do. Drive.
Yo, this dude is very trusted. I would not trust her to drive my car.
Who taught you to drive, Bowser?
I think I did pretty good, okay?
I think so too. Don't know if anyone else would agree.
No one else would agree. No, no, no.
My brother and his fiancée.
And that's bad.
She's not allowed to date?
Says he's going to freak out. And then I'm gonna freak out.
We don't want that.
We don't want that.
No, we don't. Not. We do not want that.
You're good. He's probably gonna leave in a sec. So let's just wait. Yeah?
Plus, you get some nice little bonding time here.
Aamir, Aisha,
Kamala.
brother.
Sister.
This is Kamran. He's our cousin.
Our cousin? You, me, cousin? Yeah. I'm Uncle Chaudhry's nephew. Through marriage. Huge fan of The Great British Bake Off. I love that show. I just binged it, so I was just doing a bit. Oh, man, that was good. You got me.
Nice to meet you, cousin Kamran.
I think I remember you, man.
No, you do not remember.
Back then there was no Pakistan or Bangladesh. It was all one big country, India. After the British just...
The British left us with a mess.
Yeah.
Hard for many people, and then there was a civil war.
Every Pakistani family has a partition story, and none of them are good.
Hey,
Yeah.
this is not about the partition, okay?
I learned about that from Doctor Who. Well, not all of that, but I know a little briefness about what partition was from Doctor Who.
Nobody knows how that little toddler Sana managed to get back on the train
Just before the train pulled out of the station.
The power.
She followed a trail of stars.
Right back to it.
Kamala's power.
If it wasn't for slippery when wet, your father and I may never have met.
That was gross.
Extremely gross. I get it. Yeah, yeah. Just spearmint details. I did not want to know. Exactly.
It's not too, right? I don't understand the question.
Pretty bright, yeah.
Don't listen to me. And last, the ones who know it all and will not let you forget it, the Illuminati.
Okay.
Meanwhile, I have to go after my white whale.
Who's your white whale?
Right now, she's helping me exercise our right as citizens of this great nation to participate in democracy, to dream of building a better future.
Wonderful.
Yeah, extremely wonderful.
You wouldn't rob two young women of that future, would you, Uncle? Kamala and me, your daughter, basically your other daughter. Women's suffrage, we fought for this. People died for this. You wouldn't kill our dreams, would you?
Exactly, you can't kill their dreams.
Vote for Nakia. Be robotic.
I like Nakia. She's clever.
She tried to kill me. She saved my life.
I have a feeling that you did this for the likes. Right? Onto something?
Cue the Chronic song.
We do it for the love, we not do it for the likes. Do it for the love, we not do it for the likes.
Dude, what are you doing?
Somebody help me! Please! Stop! I shouldn't have climbed all the way up here. Why did I do this? Hey, you are not gonna
No.
fall. Okay, just...
Young and dumb. We get it, okay. Ashid, I think that was his name?
Is that 2/3 or 1/3? What? I put ice cream on pizza?
Did someone say ice cream pizza?
Ice cream pizza. Interesting. Yeah, very gross. Oh, yo, save yourself. Very good, very good. Yeah, of course he's good. He just almost died. Please. Oh, is that Aisha? Okay. Hamid, that's his name. It's okay, Kamala. It's your, you don't know a lot. Just chill. Oh. How do you know his name is Kamran?
I've been waiting a very long time to meet you.
I'd like you to meet my mom.
What? I thought that was Aisha. Alright, so that was episode 2 of Miss Marvel. And I really liked that episode. It was very good. It was good, not very good. Okay, let me come back a little bit. It was good. Alright, let me just do a brief synopsis, so recap so I can just get my mind flowing. So we started off with Kamala into school. She's feeling all good, and then she meets with Bruno, and then Zoe, and then the new guy comes in. And then, right, so new guy comes in, invited to the party. They go to the party. Is there anything that happens before the party? Oh yeah, there was a scene between where Bruno and Kamala, like, they work through the powers and all that. I like about the bangle is just a key to unlock the powers and all that. Yeah, so that was good to know. So the bangle is just a key. They do a little bit training, and you know, I saw that scene that I saw on the Cover the Crew video where they analyze the CGI when she's jumping, and then the training on top of the rooftop. Yeah. So right, they go to the party, Kamala and the cops come in. Kamala and Kamran, they bond, everything. Bruno's salty, and Kamran gets everyone's name. It's like Miguel, Paul, Nakia, Kamala, Brian. Oops. Bruno is salty. I will be too. Yeah, you got everybody's name right except mine. It feels on purpose, bro. That feels like you did it to me on purpose. What's up with that? Yeah. Right. Nakia says, she's gonna run for the this position, open position on the board of the mosque, and we see some nice heart-to-heart moment between Kamala and Nakia. So this bond in that relationship. We meet Aamir's fiance Taisha, and Kamran and Kamala are on a date. After they're supposed to be like doing a drive lesson, and he is very trusting to allow her to drive his car. I would not do that. She's a terrible driver. Bless him. So they hang out. This was where he's presenting the vehicles, and I don't know, man. I would not have done that, but more power to him for that. The driving and the thing, but it might have been connected to like him wanting to get in good graces because the mother. Because late that night, after the discussion, the story about like partition and everything, what happened there. His mother is reaching out to Kamala, and I thought it was like, oh, it's the grandmother, not the grandmother, sorry, the great grandmother, Aisha. The one was left behind at the one who was no longer there, and it was just the father and the now grandmother. Oh, yeah, so that was there. So later there's like this Eid thing where everyone is there. The Moss Bros, the Illuminatis, the Insta Haram girls, something like that. Yeah, the Reverts, all that. And Nakia did their thing with Yusuf, Kamala's father, and she's like, "Yo, vote for me. You don't want to stifle the progress that women have made, have you? Don't you? For your daughter and your other daughter, don't you? Vote for Nakia." Okay, I like Nakia. So that happens, everything, and that leads into the scene where there's still the boy. He's being stupid. He's trying to get like a great angle for his shots and everything, picture, and he gets himself into trouble where he's gonna die. He's falling and he's holding on for their life. Kamala sees him, and then when she's just in the process now of like, yo, okay, so you're on the light thing, and okay, just jump over to here now. She gets the vision, and she loses him, but she just managed to save him. But he gets his ankle broken or twisted, something like that. But at least he's alive. And rewind a bit, Zoe gets brought in by the superpower task force thing people, and so they are coming after they figure out where to look for Kamala. They don't know it's Kamala, but they figure out where to look for her, and they show up, and Kamran shows up with his mother, and she's actually alive. I thought it was Aisha, but it's not. So we're gonna find out that out in the next episode. So I was like really shocked. I was like, huh? Cause I was like, oh wait, I was thinking like, oh, Kamala gave away. She gave away the ghost. She didn't reveal it to Nakia, but she revisits the Kamran. Like, what's up with that? You've known Nakia for like what, years now, I'm assuming at this point. And you give away the secret to Kamran, but not her. But oh, there's more to that. I can't wait to see what happens next. Okay, and so I'm just gonna jump right into the episode now. And so those are my thoughts. Later.